Hi there, this is a DIY nature journal. I'm using a single stitch bookbinding method. I measure about 1/4 inch in and 1/4 inch down from the top. I make 3 separate dots and I leave about 3/4 of an inch between each dot. I do this on the top and I do this on the bottom. 1/4 inch from the top and 1/4 inch in, and then I space them 3/4 of an inch apart. I use my cover board as a template for all the other pieces of paper underneath, and I punch holes through the markings I made with my pencil. And you can do about 4 pieces of paper at a time. You take your bottom piece of paper and you make 1 loop and tie it off, and then you come up under the cover board and bring the needle through the hole. And then when you come back up, you make sure to take your needle and wrap it underneath the thread. And then you do that again with the next piece of paper. You go to the next piece of paper and you bring it up through the hole. When you loop around, you make sure you loop it underneath the thread. And then you just keep repeating this as you come up through the hole, loop it around, come up under the thread. When you're finished and you're ready to connect your top cover, it's similar to how you did the bottom, where you loop through your hole and you tie it off, and then you go underneath the bottom loop and connect it to the paper that's underneath the top cover, and you loop it through. When I'm anchoring my top cover, I like to loop it through a few times, and then I tie it off and I cut the loose ends. I didn't want to keep my threads exposed, so I used some wide wood colored duct tape to cover my threads. You can use any kind of tape to do that. Well, this is it. This is your DIY nature journal. If you want the printable, just sign up for my newsletter and you will get it sent to you. And you can print it on 90 to 140 pound cold pressed watercolor paper. And there you go. Thanks for watching.